Assessing risk when you approach a company is essential. You need to know how to find the right data and what to do with it. And you need to understand how to perform a company due diligence check properly. The challenge is that much of the information you need, especially for private companies, isn't always the easiest to find. So in this video, we'll show you how to perform a company due diligence check and how Bowhurst helps you gather reliable data and analyse risk. When performing due diligence, the first step is always information gathering. This allows you to build a complete picture of the company before moving into deeper financial and legal analysis. We'll start with company overview research. Search for the company you're investigating and open its Bowhurst profile. Right away, you'll see essential information like the company's registered name, company's house ID, founding date, shareholders, and directors. This helps confirm that the company exists and provides an immediate snapshot of its structure and leadership. Next, look at funding and investment history. Understanding how a company has been financed can reveal a lot about its growth trajectory and investor confidence. You can review previous funding rounds, participating investors, and any grants the company has received. This is especially useful when evaluating startups or high-growth businesses. Now, let's move into financial due diligence. Scroll to the financial data section. Here you can analyse revenue trends, profit and loss performance, and outstanding loans. Comparing this data over time helps you determine whether the company is growing sustainably or showing signs of financial pressure. Next, check intellectual property and innovation assets. If the company relies on proprietary technology, it's critical to understand whether that technology is protected. Bowhurst allows you to view patent information and research activity, helping you verify that key intellectual property assets are legitimate and owned by the business. You can also review news coverage to identify reputational risks or operational issues that could impact the business. Finally, once you've gathered all this information, you can move into decision-making and reporting. Bowhurst allows you to export company data, generate PDF tear sheets, and integrate data into reporting tools. This makes it easier to consolidate your findings into a due diligence report that supports your acquisition decision. By combining financial analysis, ownership verification, growth signals, and risk indicators, you can build a much clearer picture of whether a business is truly a viable acquisition target. A proper company due diligence check takes time, but it becomes far easier when you have reliable data in one place. With Bowhurst, you can research private companies, analyse financial performance, investigate ownership, and identify potential risks before making important decisions. If you'd like to see the data in action, take a quick product tour or speak to our team.